when someone freaks out?
I'm freaking out! Your guy, my Leo. Leo. Leo wants to see me and I'm in New York. Might as well see him. I don't know what to wear. I'm taking this garage shirt. It's maroon.
I don't know how this is gonna go.
Oh, this outfit is giving mysterious.
Not mysterious. I like you, Leo.
Ever since that 5'4" elf on the shelf came into my life,
I mean, Chad.
it ruined my chances with Leo. Belt or no belt? I'm not a belt girly. I'm moving here. Might as well be a belt girly. And I love. I'm talking to you. Do we love? Guys, I need your help, please.
It's giving.
That's when he like asks to be together. Of course, I would say no. Yes. I don't think you understand. I'm upset. Stress eating bonbon.